Welcome back to AKCC, guys. Today, unexpected news to my SLK. The belt, look at that. It's gone. Snapped in half. Gotta take it up to the auto shop. But yeah, carless, but not homeless. As you can see, guys, yeah, look at that. In
As
there.
you can see, the belt
It bundled itself up into my fucking fan.
So the thing, so we're just trying to fish that out now. Stay tuned, guys.
All right, guys, as you know, back of the office, gonna have to go on car parts. Shout out car parts. Gonna be looking for some new belts, serpentine and all. So yeah.
This video is sponsored by Car Parts. They have the best prices out there. It's also sponsored by Rock Auto. They also have the best parts out there. Also, we just wanted to announce today that AKCC is going to be sponsoring our own videos. What? So, there you go, guys.
All right, so just ordered the part. It's a Duralast belt. Hopefully it's gonna help. Maybe last at least a week or two. Might also order a OEM one. We haven't decided yet, but we are going to be doing it ourselves here at AKCC. How to, yeah, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, just got our new serpentine belt, Duralast Poly V belt, 940K6. If you guys want to get that for your SLK 320, go right on ahead. Guys,
so as you just saw, we fixed everything wrong with the SLK. It took about 4.5 hours. You saw all the footage. Don't worry. Running like a top. Running like a Mercedes. What do you think, Augie?
I think it's doing great. Just gonna let it run for a bit. You know, it's a new belt.
Time for a test drive. AKCC, we do it all.
All right, guys. Guys, so currently not in the SLK today, as you guys can tell, in the Legacy. Yeah, so the belt slipped off on the way home last night. So yeah, that was bad. Efren came through. Now I'm driving this out, and yeah, I gotta go get my car. So just got to the office in the Legacy. It kept stalling on me, but yeah, we are finally here, and we're gonna wait on Efren so we can go and try and put the belt back on my SLK. Efren's here. The hell happened last night?
I know, man. You Mr. Speed Racer out there. You drove the belt off the car, man.
Well, at least we're right near Chili's, right?
Yeah, it's true, yeah. We broke down right next to Chili's. We got some Dollaritas, some Triple Dippers. That's the American dream.
So, we actually just pulled up to the SLK. Bad news. Serpentine belt split right down the middle again. So, there goes the serpentine belt.
This is the third one. As you saw in the last video, we replaced it again, broke again. This video specifically is not sponsored by AutoZone or Duralast.
No. Yeah, I just spent, what, 40 bucks on that? So yeah, I'm gonna see what's going on with that. Hopefully I can get a return. Or, they said we have a 1-year warranty. I'm gonna check. Guys, so, we're actually gonna end the video off here today because stay tuned for the next video where we actually go and return the belt to AutoZone, get everything said and done, and drive it to the auto shop because I think we need a new pulley, maybe in a tensioner. We'll see, guys. Stay tuned. Peace out.